What's good, YouTube? Justin Farm here. Welcome to the next part of the Justin Farm Coffee League PC Build 2018, guys. And if you guys can see, this is the next part, guys. The Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM, guys. I picked this up from Canada Computers. You guys know I got most of the stuff from Canada Computers. And I picked this up because of the RGB lighting and because it's DDR4 RAM. And another reason, or mostly the main reason, is because of the speed. Let's focus real quickly on that. If you guys can see, that's 3.4 gigs, you could say, right? Gigahertz of writing speed, or reading speed, whatever RAM is, you guys know. And so this is the front. You guys see the Vengeance, the lighting, that's how it looks. RGB software compatible with all Windows-based DDR4 systems. And then just a little bit French, supports Intel i7, Intel Core. And then on the side of the box, 16 gigabyte RAM, as you guys can see, it's 2 sticks. On the back it says Corsair Vengeance RGB series memory modules are designed to provide an amazing look with built-in taste-free RGB lights, matching design themes of mid-range and high-end motherboards and other gaming PC components. Each module is built using a custom performance PCB and specially screened ICs for superior overclocking performance and reliability. So that's what it said right there. And also it says DDR4, or that's the French, what am I reading? This is all French, guys. And that's right there. It shows the 2 sticks of RAM. You guys can see that. And yep, let's get to the unboxing, guys.
So it's 2 sticks of 8 GB.
Yep, you guys can see that right there. 2 sticks of 8 GB RAM each.
Yeah.
So that's it right there. 2 sticks of 8 GB each. And those dots, it's Corsair up there, Vengeance. RGB lighting. So, same blade, guys. Let's cut this open. Top here. Open this up. You guys can see right away, you see the Vengeance RAM. And that is some nice, thick RAM.
Heavy duty.
Definitely, for sure. You guys can see that. Vengeance RAM right there. You can pull one of these bad boys out. They're in a tray. You guys can see the tray that they're in. So I'm just pulling these out like so. You see, I opened it up. Let's pull one of these out. We got it out. You guys can see.
Wow.
Vengeance RGB has a cool cuts on it. Those cuts are gonna light up over there, and there's gonna be light glowing in there. That's the chips and all that. That's gonna be sitting on the motherboard. That's the back of it.
It's only gonna fit one way on the motherboard.
Yep. So I'll put it back in the case so you guys can see. That's how it looks. That's this side, and that's how the other side looks, guys. And so yeah, guys, these are the 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes each, so 16 gigabytes total of RAM. And yeah, guys, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and check out the next part of the video when we show you guys how to install this Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM into our PC build, guys. Take care.